Taking a look from our Clay Desk camera, we have a few clouds out there, mostly those kind of mid to high level clouds out there this morning. We had some low clouds earlier, but I think we'll see more of those low clouds increase as we head into the later portions of the evening hours. Otherwise, it really is kind of a cool start to the morning. We do have that southerly wind that is back into the forecast, which is going to help us warm up just a little bit, but not by a whole lot. Those clouds will come in rather quick, create kind of a blanket in the atmosphere. Otherwise, those clouds are only increasing because we are having a storm system that is beginning to approach. That's going to bring an opportunity for some isolated to kind of widely scattered storms as we head into late tonight, pushing into early tomorrow morning. There is a low and severe weather threat, but I think the windier conditions are going to be those main weather impacts. Otherwise, we are seeing those clouds on satellite and radar this morning. We have a couple clear spots though, like into New Midland and Odessa, kind of some thicker clouds pushing into near areas of Big Spring this morning. You're around 46 degrees with 42 in Coleman and 37 off into Ozona. Our next storm system is well off into the west, bringing in a little bit of some coastal showers out into near areas of Southern California, pushing into near Mexico as well. We'll see all of this be able to push into near our neighborhoods as we head into the later portions of tonight into tomorrow. With that, we'll bring some increasing clouds alongside a couple showers out into far west Texas. We'll have a few showers sneak in to portions of the higher terrain into southeast New Mexico, into the Permian Basin as we head around into the midnight hour. It's going to be very isolated to widely scattered pretty much north of I-20. I think that's where the bullseye shot is going to be for those storms. A few of them again could try to be strong to severe. I think mostly after 4 a.m. is when that best opportunity is going to be, but really well after behind the dry line, that's when those breezy conditions are going to start picking up as we head into the early morning, pushing well into the afternoon as that area of low pressure continues to move northward, bringing in some storms up into near areas of Chicago. Breezy conditions back home here in West Texas, we're talking isolated gusts, I think possible up to 50 miles an hour. Most of us will genuinely see though 35 to 45 miles per hour. I think those higher gusts could be possible, especially further west up into near the Guadalupe Mountains and near 70 miles an hour. And I think, again, those winds taper off the further south and east as you go. So blowing dust is going to be a concern, and you'll definitely need to give yourself a little bit of extra time for that morning commute. Rain chances, though, 20 to 40% pretty much north of the I-20 corridor, including near areas of the Pecos River Valley. Isolated totals maybe up to a half an inch, but genuinely rain totals I think are going to stay well less than that. Severe risk remains north and east, pretty much north of the region, going around into near areas of the northern big country. But for the most part, I think maybe some pocket change size hell, but those gusty winds are going to be the main weather impacts. Next cold front is going to be arriving behind that system as we head into Friday. That will also bring some breezier conditions as well, especially as the front does pass. Otherwise, today, as we go throughout much of your Wednesday, temperatures are going to get back into those middle to upper 70s, around 76 into Midland, 74 off into Odessa, nearly widespread 80s across into the big country College Valley. We'll cool off heading in throughout much of the week with some breezy conditions for Thursday and Friday with that small opportunity of some showers and storms. We'll get into the 50s pushing into the weekend with more sunny skies, and winds will calm down with genuinely temperatures staying at or above normal as we head into the early portions of next week. We'll be right back after the break.